Hello everybody! In this video I'll try Mr. Choc crunchy peanut butter. I bought it at Lidl and I paid €1.69. I think you can also get a creamy variety. Normally I like both varieties, the crunchy varieties and the creamy varieties when it comes to peanut butter. Peanut butter with peanut pieces. Yeah, and it's basically 92% of roasted peanuts, sugar, palm oil and table salt. We have 350 grams here. And peanuts have a lot of fat, so we have a lot of calories here. What do you think? How much calories do we have here? 100 grams have 607 calories. And we have 350 grams, so we have 2124.5 calories here. Mr. Choc. So let's open it. This is not glass, this is plastic. Oh. Looks relatively soft, but let me try it. I will try it on a small slice of bread. Looks really creamy. I love peanut butter. So let me try it. But looks like the peanut pieces are really small. Really sticky. Oh, it's really sticky. But the taste is very good, I have to say. It's also relatively sweet. I don't know if the sweetness only comes from the sugar or also from the peanuts. But of course you can definitely taste the peanuts. And the peanut pieces are really small, but that's not bad. I know other varieties where the peanut pieces are much bigger, but I think it's really good. It's really good.